Hello everyone. Welcome to Wonders LED Lighting World. Today, I would like to give a brief introduction of LED lighting industry in China. From this topic, you can find the right supplier for your business type. China had 23 provinces, 4 cities directly managed by the Chinese government, 5 regions in the Hong Kong and Macau. Talking about LED lighting industry, you have to notice 2 important provinces. One is Guangdong province here. Guangdong province, you can see that it's very close to Hong Kong and Macau. And another one is Zhejiang province. Zhejiang province is close to Shanghai. And this is Guangdong province map. You can see there are several cities in Guangdong. And in Guangdong province, there are 4 different main cities. It is Shenzhen City, Guangzhou City, Foshan City, and Zhongshan City. Every city had its fixtures. Let me explain one by one. Look at Shenzhen City. Shenzhen is really close to Hong Kong. You know Hong Kong is an international trading city. So, Shenzhen is also improved by Hong Kong. It is a technical and financial important center. In Shenzhen, there are many of LED manufacturers. Shenzhen manufacturers had a high quality standard and better service than other cities. Next one is Guangzhou City. In Guangzhou, there are many of raw materials manufactured. You can find any raw materials for LED lighting, such as LED chips, PCB board, fans, silicon glues, and some connectors, wires, and so on. Most of raw material manufactured in Guangzhou. Near Guangzhou is Foshan City here. Foshan City is famous for its aluminum profile. Aluminum profile usually used combined with LED strips. It's for decoration. Most aluminum profile will be buy from Foshan. So, if you focus on aluminum profile business, you can find a very good supplier in Foshan and have a good price. Near Foshan is Zhongshan City here. Zhongshan City had a lot of LED products. You can find everything, every LED product in Zhongshan. But Zhongshan is different with Shenzhen. Zhongshan City had big advantages of price. Zhongshan City market strategy is competitive price. So, if you are looking for a better price, you can find a good supplier in Zhongshan. But if you are looking for a good quality manufacturer, you can look in suppliers in Shenzhen. And next one, this is Zhejiang province map. In Zhejiang province, there are two important cities you have to remember. One is Ningbo and another is Hangzhou. Hangzhou city, everyone should be knows because Alibaba is born from Hangzhou city. Ningbo city is meaning for street lighting and some landscape lighting. So if you are focused on business on street lighting such as shoebox, street lights, and landscape lights, many good suppliers in here. Zhejiang province had many famous seaports like Zhoushan Seaport, Ningbo Seaport, Taizhou Seaport, Wenzhou Seaport. It's also an important trading and shipping province, Zhejiang province, because, as I mentioned, it's very close to Shanghai. Zhejiang province is like a back garden for Shanghai. So, in LED lighting industry in China, I give a summary. You have to remember Guangzhou province and Zhejiang province. This is two important province. And in Guangzhou province, you have to remember four different cities: Shenzhen, Guangzhou, Foshan, and Zhongshan city. In Zhejiang province, you have to remember Hangzhou, Ningbo, Zhoushan city, Taizhou, Wenzhou, and all these cities had big seaport. Thank you so much. If you would like to discuss with me, please leave a comment. Wonder would like to share more information with you about LED lighting. Thank you so much for your time.